In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your x.com or Twitter username and password the right way and what to do if you can't remember either one. This is a quick and simple tutorial, whether you're trying to log back into your account, help someone recover access, or just confirm the details saved on your device. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about your X username. If you're already logged into your account, the easiest place to find it is on the left side or in the profile area, depending on the device you're using. Look directly under your display name, that's where your username appears. On X, this usually starts with the @ symbol, like @example, and that is your unique handle. So if you want to share your profile, sign in somewhere else, or just confirm what your account name is, this is the fastest way to check. If you're on a phone, open the X app and go to your profile or side menu. Again, look under your display name to see the username. If you're on a computer, open X in your browser and check the left panel or your profile card. The username should be clearly visible there. This is the account name people use to mention you, search for you, and tag you on the platform. Now let's move on to your password. The most important thing to know is that your password will not be shown inside X itself for security reasons. If you previously saved your login details in a browser or on your phone, you may be able to view it in your password manager. For example, if you use Google Password Manager, Apple iCloud Keychain, or your browser's saved passwords, you can check there for the login entry connected to X or Twitter. To do that, open your password manager and search for X, Twitter, or the email address linked to your account. If the password was saved, you may be able to view it after confirming your device password, Face ID, fingerprint, or another security check. This is the safest and easiest way to recover a saved password without resetting anything. If you do not see a saved password, then the next step is to use the Forgot Password option. On the X login page, click or tap Forgot Password. Then follow the prompts to recover your account using your email address, phone number, or username. X will send you instructions to reset your password securely. Make sure to use the email or phone number connected to the account so the recovery process works correctly. If you're not sure which email was used, check your inboxes for old X emails, notifications, or verification messages. That can help you identify the account. Once you receive the reset link or code, create a new password that is strong, unique, and easy for you to remember. After changing it, save it securely in your password manager so you don't have to go through the process again later. So to recap, your X username can be found under your display name in your profile area, and your password can only be viewed if it was saved in a password manager. If it wasn't saved, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. That's the safest and most reliable method. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.